Hi everyone, this is Stephen Hewer with Synergistic Nutrition. Thank you for your patience with regards to our incoming whey protein powder we call Green Meadow Whey. It has been some time since the order was placed, and many of you have placed orders in advance of it coming into stock to save on the pre-sale price. So right now I have very good news. The milk order is being filled as we speak. The whey should be processed into a powder by within 2.5 to 3 weeks. Then it's got to be, bottled and shrink wrapped on the seals for the lids, and that's going to take another week or so. So we're talking about probably, like it says on the website, we'll probably have the whey ready to ship either the middle of February or the end of February. Right now it's still on sale. The reduced price is $10 off the actual retail price. So this is a very special whey. When I took it, the first time I took this product in its pure state, many months ago, and I took it with a couple of capsules of Adrenal Energy and Restore, I had this phenomenal 9-hour energy. It was just like, since I've had this hyperthyroid issue for some period of time, to have that kind of energy all day long was just a thrill and a pleasure. And I've shared the product with several people, and young people, and they're telling me that they feel, their blood sugar stable, they have more energy, they feel better. So I think you're going to really, really like this product. It's the best of all the whey protein powders we've produced in terms of how it's going to make you feel. You get to create your own flavor because we're not flavoring it anymore. We're not sweetening it anymore. So you get to do your own chocolate powder or blend up your own bananas with some fresh fruit juice, or add your own fresh vanilla. You can add your own maple syrup for sweetener, honey for sweetener, sucanat for sweetener, or stevia if you don't want to do any actual sugars. It's your choice. So you have quite a variety. I like to do blended strawberries, and mix that up. But again, this whey protein powder is truly non-denatured, which means the proteins and amino acids have retained the shape that nature gave them. You don't want to ruin that by putting it in a blender. And also you could ruin the frequencies that are in it by putting it in a blender. So you want to blend everything up in advance. So I like to do a couple of raw eggs, some fruit juice, could be pear juice, could be apple juice, could be orange juice, and a couple of raw eggs. I blend that all up first. I take a product called Mount Capra Mineral Whey. I mix the powder in with water. I let it set for 8 hours to break down the lactose. Anybody out there that's taken Mount Capra Mineral Whey but has lactose intolerance and doesn't let it set for 8 hours, so Mount Capra Mineral Whey, you let it set in water. We're talking about like a tablespoon to every 10 ounces of water. And so I do a quart of that. I do 3 tablespoons to a quart of water, let it set for 8 hours, and now I've got this brown liquid that's got these electrolytes in it that feed your heart, feed your muscles, make it so that they work easier at a lower rate. If you exercise, you'll notice that your heart rate will go down because your heart doesn't have to work as hard now that it has these key electrolytes. The Mount Capra Mineral is really good for your joints, really good for your adrenals, really good for your stomach. Those are all tissues that need high amounts of food-derived sodium, which would be organic sodium. So I use that as a liquid, a couple of raw eggs, some fruit juice, or a little bit of maple syrup, blend that all up, and then I add the Green Meadow Whey, and then I mix it with a spoon in a quart mason jar. So make sure you mix your whey protein powder into your liquid after you've made your smoothie. I'm glad you like this product as much as I do, and thank you so much for your patience.